theme is Urban Oasis. We envision in 2048 there will be a highly emotional, demanding city where building is privileged due to the competency of super automation intelligence. In this time, the ancient concept of petrol station as a recharging entity encouraged to be maintained as a rejuvenating unit for human mind. So we come up with the concept of a image of oasis as a refuge to move on to the next destination for humans. And there are potentially two types of stakeholders. First one is the household stakeholders, the peace seekers, and the second one is the commercial people, who are the first adjacent to aliens. And so we thinking of the oasis as a underground kind of department where you got two kind of realms. One is realm of lust, another is realm of love. The first realm is for the first stakeholder, which is the peace seekers, and in itself there is a realm of gardens, sanctuary, waterfalls, and the other one is for the commercial aliens, which are red light district, BYO love hotels, and other kind of entertainment. And so this is our last image basically. What our intention is very clear, that we just want to move the crowded city from the highly stressful temperature into cooler one.